Welcome to JC Stocks and Markets podcast for October 17th, 2025. I'm JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. Every other week I publish a new idea on YouTube regarding new stocks or ETF picks that I research. My intentions with these podcasts are to share my thoughts and opinions on some stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend-paying securities. I'm only trying to help us both make a buck, not doing this for money from anyone. The opinions shared here are my own. They are just that, opinions. Disclaimer, do your due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. Stock I'd like to feature today is one called Stellus Capital Investment Corporation, ticker symbol SCM. As you can see from the chart that I've got here, it's at about 12 bucks a share, pretty much dead on at the close today. And earnings per share, 143. I like that. PE ratio is about 8, a little over 8. Forward PE is about 9. Dividends, $1.60. It's 13.33 cents per month, monthly payer. And the ex-dividend date is the end of the month, so you can buy into it soon and get that dividend. This has been paying, and the dividends have been growing since 2021, and this one I like. The financials are good. The PE ratio, the cash flow, the dividend's good, and it's growing, and the earnings per share as well. I wish I would have found this sooner. I have no dry powder right now, and I'd like to buy a little bit of it. Stellus is another business development corporation, and I really like this company. Here's some things in the next slide that I'd like to show you. I got all this stuff from their website. The investment type and size between 10 and 60 million per transaction. They like first lien and unitranche debt financing. Their investment focuses on private companies generating between $5 and $50 million. They also use a capital for acquisitions, growth capital, leverage buyouts, and recapitalizations. And they are very selective in their purchases in terms of what they put their money in there. Focus on originated loans opposed to broadly syndicated financing. Basically, they're the sole lender in the tranches in which it invests. So they pick the right ones, and then they go all in. And it's been working out for them. Very profitable, nice dividend, growing, good company. I like this right now. Some other interesting information regarding Stellus on this next slide. The fair value of the investment portfolio, almost $1 billion. They have a diversified portfolio of investment type, industry, and geography. I like that. Basically, their quarterly dividend is 40 cents per share, but they pay it monthly at 0.1333, and it's a little over 12%. Very nice. Return on equity since the IPO is about 9.5% per year. That's also very nice. And the net asset value is a little higher than the stock price, which is pretty cool too. I like that. And as you can see from this next slide, their funding sources come from a number of credit sources, and the interest rates are there. The SOFR plus 2.6, 3.41, 3.07, 4.88, and there's a whole bunch of debt at some pretty cheap rates there. And of course, they're getting a much better deal on their investment lending that they get with this money. This is a money churning vehicle. Don't be surprised if it continues to do well, even with interest rates falling, because their interest rate that they're borrowing at, especially with the syndicated credit, is going down as the interest rate goes down. Here's Stellus's breakdown of the industries that they're invested in, and kind of as you can see, business services is the biggest one at 26%, but they're pretty well diversified amongst industry and as well as geographic location. The weighted average yield is a little over 10%. Average loan size about $10 million. Largest investment as a percentage of total portfolio, 2.4%. So that they have a bunch of loans. It's they don't have a big single loan that's going to weigh them down in case there's a problem. And 98% is senior lien and senior secured debt. So that's important, especially if something does happen, they get paid first. Cash interest in 95%. I mean, it's pretty sweet. This has got a nice financial, portfolio. Last slide of Stellus that I have is cumulative distributions declared since the IPO, and if you added those animals up with your equity, you're looking at $30.20 based on a $14.52 investment, and that's just over a few years. Good company, well financed, great loans that are senior loans, and they're going to make money even when interest rates go down. So with that, I'd like to say thank you for listening to JC Stocks and Markets podcast. Stellus Capital. I hope maybe you got something out of it. The intro and outro song is by a band I used to play in Just One Goat called She's the One. And with that, happy investing, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.
Beautiful, but I know my way back home. A loving girl is physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Wasted all this time. She's the one. Oh, she's the one.